Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you taillight, both replacing the whole taillight if you've had one broken, as well as just replacing the bulbs if you have a bulb out. And this is on an 06 CTS, same as any 03 to 07, same as the CTS V as well. The only tool you'll need is a 10mm socket with a ratchet or a wrench. Okay, to replace the taillight or service taillight bulb, hardest part really is just getting to the back of the taillight. You're going to remove your spare tire cover. Okay, just kind of pull that up out of the way. Okay, and then there's a few of these. You untwist these and they pull off. Okay, you're going to take off 4 of them. One there, one up here, okay, another one up here, and another one here. Okay, I'm going to be working on the passenger side, so I'm going to take this one off over here as well. If you were working on the driver's side, you'd want to take this one off. And fast forward as I remove those trim plugs. Okay, once you take the 4 off in the back here, you can pull this rear panel out. Just kind of put it like that. And take this one off over here. Okay, now you can take this insulation, kind of pull it forward off that stud and back. And now you can see the back of your taillight. Okay, right here's the connector. Take that off the body. Okay, pull back on this tab. Okay, and that comes apart. And then there are 2 10mm nuts, one there and one up there. Remove those. Using a 10mm socket with a ratchet. Okay, once you get them started, they come off pretty easy. Okay, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push my harness through here. Okay, and then my taillight comes right out. Okay, if you're looking to change these bulbs, they all just have little lock tabs. Press the tab down. Press the tab down, twist counterclockwise, pull it out. Bulb pulls out. New one can push in. Okay, maybe get a little bit of an accent. Okay, 1AAuto, we sell the brand new taillight. Okay, it's going to go in. Everything's going to mount the same. It's going to plug in all correctly. Feed your harness connection in. Okay, put the plug in. I'm just pushing the plug through. Make sure it's locked on there and sealed correctly. Okay. And then carefully, you need to kind of pull up on this seal here. And guide your light in. And kind of peek in behind so you can see the studs go into the holes. Goes in correctly. Start nuts on here. Okay, I'm going to fast forward here as it's all pretty self-explanatory. Start both the 10mm nuts on the back, then use your ratchet and socket, and you want to tighten them evenly. So don't tighten one up all the way and then the other one up all the way. You tighten one up some, then tighten the other one some, and switch back and forth until they're nice and firm. And then once it's tightened up, make sure that your harness is connected, and then you can put your trim back in place, the side panels, all the buttons just kind of push on, put your rear panel in, and your tire cover. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneaauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.